Stop right there.
Yes, you.
If you think my English is too weak,
This message is for you.
what if I tell you that you can start speaking English today?
Even if you know only 10 words.
Yes, really.
No magic.
No pressure.
No big grammar book attacking your head.
Poor grammar book.
In this video, we will show you how to speak English from zero
Step by step.
in a very easy way.
And wait, because in the middle of this video, we will share one small trick that can make you speak more every day without feeling scared.
So please stay with us till the end.
And before we begin,
Welcome to Smart English Official.
if you want to speak English with confidence,
Subscribe to the channel
like this video,
and leave a comment below.
I am ready to speak English.
Yes, write it now.
That one comment can be your first English sentence today.
And that is already progress.
So, let's begin.
Many beginners think like this.
I don't know grammar.
I don't know enough words.
I cannot make sentences.
If I speak, people will laugh at me.
But listen carefully.
Every strong English speaker was once a beginner.
Every fluent speaker started with simple words.
Nobody came into this world saying, "Hello everyone, today I will discuss advanced communication skills."
Imagine a baby saying that.
That would be scary.
The truth is simple. English is not a gift.
English is a skill,
And a skill grows with practice,
not with fear,
not with waiting.
not with shame.
So if your English is 0 today, that is okay.
0 is not the end,
0 is the starting point.
and every journey starts there.
Your goal today is not perfect English,
Your goal is simple English.
because simple English is powerful.
Simple English helps you speak.
And speaking helps you improve.
So please remember this line. You do not need perfect English to start.
You need courage to start.
Now, let's make it practical.
If you want to speak English from 0,
Do not start with difficult grammar.
do not start with hard books.
Do not try to sound like a professor on day 1.
Yes, day 1 is not for speeches.
Day 1 is for survival.
English survival mode.
Start with words from your daily life.
Words like
Water,
food, home, family. Now here comes a very important secret.
and please do not miss this part.
If you memorize only random words, speaking will still feel hard.
But if you learn sentence patterns, speaking becomes easier.
A sentence pattern is like a simple formula.
You learn one pattern and you can make many sentences.
Let's learn 5 easy patterns.
Pattern 1.
I am.
I am happy. I am busy. I am ready. I am a beginner.
Pattern 2.
I want.
I want water. I want help. I want to learn. I want to speak English.
Pattern 3.
I like.
I like music. I like English. I like simple lessons.
Pattern 4.
I have.
I have a book. I have a question. I have a dream.
Pattern 5.
I can.
I can learn. I can try. I can practice. I can improve.
Now say these 5 lines with us.
I am a beginner.
I want to speak English.
I like learning.
I have a goal.
I can improve.
Beautiful.
Simple, right?
Yes, and that is the point.
Simple is not weak.
Simple is the first step to fluency.
Now, let's talk about the biggest game changer.
And this part can really change your English.
Do not study English only.
Use English.
Use it in your real life.
When you wake up, say,
I am awake.
I am getting up.
Today is a new new day.
When you drink water, say,
I am drinking water.
when you eat, say,
I am eating breakfast.
this food is good.
I am hungry.
When you go outside, say,
I am going outside.
the weather is nice.
I am walking.
When you study, say,
I am studying English.
I am learning new words.
I am practicing today.
This method is powerful
Why?
because now English is connected to your life.
And when English becomes part of your life, it becomes easier to remember.
You do not need extra time for this.
You can practice while living your normal day.
That means English is not a school subject only,
It becomes a daily habit.
and habits are strong.
Very strong.
Like my habit of drinking too much tea.
That is not a habit. That is a full-time job.
Maybe.
Now here is another important point.
Please do not practice only in your head.
Speak aloud.
Use your voice.
Open your mouth.
Yes, even if you are alone.
Even if your pronunciation is not perfect.
Even if you feel shy.
Speaking in your mind is helpful
But speaking aloud is much better.
because your mouth needs training.
Your tongue needs training.
Your voice needs training.
Your confidence needs training too.
Start with 1 minute,
Then 2 minutes.
then 5 minutes.
Talk about your room.
Talk about your day.
Talk about your plans.
You can say,
This is my room.
I have a chair.
I have a phone.
I am learning English now,
I feel a little nervous.
but I am trying.
And that last line is important.
But I am trying.
Say that often.
It keeps your mind strong.
Okay, now it is time for the small trick we promised at the beginning.
Yes, this trick is simple, but very powerful.
It is called
The mirror talk method.
stand in front of a mirror for 2 or 3 minutes.
Look at yourself.
Smile a little.
Not like a movie villain.
Please no.
Then say simple English sentences.
For example,
Hello, my name is Ali.
I am learning English.
I am a beginner.
I want to improve.
I practice every day.
I can do it.
Why does this help?
Because you get used to seeing yourself speak English.
And slowly your fear becomes smaller.
At first, it may feel strange.
Yes, very strange.
You may think, why am I talking to myself?
Because you are becoming better, that's why.
And one day, that small mirror practice can become big confidence.
Now, let's make a very easy plan.
Not a hard plan.
Not a scary plan.
Just a simple plan you can follow every day.
Here it is.
First, listen for 10 minutes.
Listen to easy English.
Second, repeat for 10 minutes.
Say the sentences aloud.
Third, learn 5 useful words.
Not 50.
Yes, not 50. Your brain is not a shopping bag.
Yes, exactly.
Fourth, speak for 5 or 10 minutes.
Talk about yourself or your day.
Fifth, write 5 simple sentences.
That's it.
Simple plan.
Strong result.
And if you are very busy, do a shorter plan.
5 minutes listening,
5 minutes repeating.
5 minutes speaking.
15 minutes is enough to start.
Because the secret is not long study.
The secret is daily study.
A little every day is better than a lot once a week.
Now, let's talk about mistakes.
Because many learners stop here.
They make one mistake,
Then they feel bad.
but mistakes are normal.
Mistakes are part of learning.
If you make mistakes, it means you are trying.
And trying is better than hiding.
Please do not say,
My English is bad, so I will stay silent.
instead say,
My English is growing, so I will keep speaking.
beautiful line.
Thank you. I work very hard for that line.
We noticed.
Also, do not compare yourself to fluent speakers.
Compare yourself to your old self. Now, we want to give you a short practice speech.
You can repeat this every day.
Ready?
Let's go.
Hello.
My name is...
I am learning English from 0.
I am a beginner, but I am improving every day.
I listen to easy English.
I repeat simple sentences.
I learn useful words.
I speak slowly,
I make mistakes.
but I do not stop.
My goal is to speak English confidently.
I know it takes time.
But I am ready.
I can learn English.
I can improve.
I will not give up,
That speech is simple.
but powerful.
Record your voice saying it.
Then listen again after 1 week.
Then, after 2 weeks.
Then after 1 month.
And you will hear the difference.
That is one of the best feelings.
So, can you speak English from zero?
Yes, you can.
Not by magic,
Not by waiting,
but by starting small,
speaking daily,
making mistakes bravely.
and never giving up.
Remember this.
Broken English can become simple English.
Simple English can become clear English.
Clear English can become confident English.
And confident English can become fluent English.
But only if you begin.
So begin today.
Not tomorrow.
Not one day.
Today.
Right after this video, say 5 English sentences about yourself.
And write one comment below.
I started today.
We want to read it.
And we want to support you.
If this video helped you, subscribe to Smart English Official.
Like this video.
Share it with a friend.
And come back for more easy English practice.
Your English journey starts with one small step.
Take that step today.
We believe in you.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye.
Bye-bye. And go speak some English now.